Welcome back to the James Hardy 1000. We're following car number 7, Senior Constable Lester Smurden from the Queensland Highway Patrol in the Big Rooster entry. Car running basically in Group A trim for this race, and there are a lot of Commodore drivers have been following its progress here at Mount Panorama.
Well, a lot of them are interested in hard runs, including Peter Brock, and Brock, clever man, has given these guys a lot of assistance in preparing the car, obviously with an eye to his own future in Group A next year. He wants to see how it all works on their car and make adjustments accordingly for his own Group A campaign in '85.
The Queensland Highway Patrol cars are done up pretty much the same way as the Lester Smurden car. And
what with Big Rooster signs on it?
I'm talking in terms of performance. But I'm sure that this year they're running in this race will give them something of a head start for next year when Group A prevails.
22nd spot on the track, number 7 outright for Lester Smurden and the Highway Patrol entry. Another car that I think just indicates the consistency, the reliability that Group A is going to bring to the Australian Touring Car Championship in '85.
Well, when you've been watching the Rovers today here at Mount Panorama, and of course the Group A BMW being driven by Prince Leopold von Bayern, it might be wise to recall that in Europe a lot of the Group A races are over 24 hours, so they really do have that reliability factor, and they are developed for long-distance racing. They can only benefit Australia. See a lot more cars very close together. But on the subject